Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I'm gonna unboxing this new Poco smartphone. So this is open box delivery, so let's open it. So I have purchased it on the Republic Day sale from Flipkart. Or so let's unbox this. Here it's having the Poco M8 branding, made in India smartphone, and you can check the variant. It is 6GB 128GB frost silver Poco M8 5G. So some of the specification are here in the back. So first let's open it and check what is in the box. So here we come with Poco box first. Here it is, Poco box. So here it is, handset. You can see this one, it looks really nice. So let's keep it aside and check what is in the box. Here we got some pamphlet, and here it is USB. So here we got USB to USB type C charging cable, or it may be fast charging cable. Let's see. Here it is designed by Xiaomi adapter, that is 45 volt of charging. So here we got this, and let's check it then in this box also. So let's, okay, here we just unbox it. Okay, we got cover also, that cool. So what is this? It is power button. Okay, it's maybe a sticker. Okay, so let's open this also. So here we got, okay, nice, we got a quick start guide, and friends, we got Poco cover. It looks really nice. It's a rubber material, and the rubber is really good friends. That is very good cover, you can see this one. So let's keep, and here it is the protector of this also, you can see charging protector type C. So let's wrap it up and unwrap this smartphone. So friends, here it is, we got our Poco smartphone. Just unwrap this from here. Okay, okay, nice. So friends, we got a metallic cover. How slim the phone is. Okay, wow, nice. So friends, let's open it. It is very sleek phone, literally very sleek. It's handy and good actually friends, and it's having a metallic finish also. So let's open it by long pressing it. So it is now open. So friends, let's talk about, so it was officially launched on January 8 2026, and positioning itself as a sleek, durable, budget friendly 5G content and let's talk about its dimension. So very slim profile it's having, you can see. It's having the in-display sensor also. Here it is, you can see this. So let's talk about the weight friends. So its weight is 178 grams. It's having the weight, you can see that. And durability, it's have IP66 and IP65 rating, high pressure water jet and dust resistance it's having. So it is very smooth right now, you can see. And it has a 5-star drop resistance, tested to withstand drop from up to 1.7 meters, and it's having military grade certification also. And its color is carbon black, frost silver, that is here frost silver, and glacier blue. Let's talk about its display friends. So it is 6.77 inch 3D curved, you can see it's having the curved display. So it is curved flow AMOLED display. Resolution it has FHD plus. Friends, let's test is refresh rate also. You can see how smooth it is. So let's go to the settings and check the refresh rate here. So you can type over here refresh rate like this, and you can see here it having the custom 120 hertz of refresh rate you will get. And this Antutu score of this smartphone is 8,25,000 plus score is there, with 6GB and 8GB variant. So let's see if it is extendable or not. Let's go to settings and let's type here RAM. and you can check here. Here it is RAM. So friends, it is 2 GB extendable. You can see total is 8 GB, 128 GB model is there, and having the CPU Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 mobile platform, octa-core max 2.4 GHz. So you can see it having the 6th generation third, so you can play any game you want in max settings in 90 fps BGMI. So friends, let's test the it having the expandable up to 1 TB of SD card. You can insert SD card at the maximum, having the 4 years of Android OS updates and 6 years of security patch update in your settings. So you can check it over here to update your smartphone. And let's test the camera, friends. So you can see how cool the camera setup is having. So there are, you can see there are 3 cameras are there. That is 50 megapixel of main camera, and you can see light fusion 400 sensor, 2 megapixel of depth camera for portrait shots. So let's open the camera and check the resolution also. So you can see the camera here, it's having the 4K resolution. You can see 4K resolution at 30 fps. So that is a good part of this, and you can see how zoom, the clarity of the phone is very good. It will not break the pixels. So you can see its max zoom up to, let's test the zoom also, 10x you can zoom your photos. And it's having the ultra HD camera also. You can see it will be your maximum 50 megapixel ultra camera it's having. And let's test the front camera, friends. So it's having front camera of 20 megapixel of camera. Here it is. So you can see here it is. Friends, you can see the photo of this. Here it is, the selfie camera. You can see how clear the photo is. You can see colors contrast is very good, and you can see the brightness on the face. Here it is, the back camera. You can see it is on the full screen right now, having the punch hole camera display. So it's having the very good camera. Let's talk about its battery capacity. So friends, its battery capacity, because of the very sleek mobile phone, it having 5520 mAh battery with silicon carbon battery tech, having 45 volt of turbo charger included in the box, and having the highest reverse charging, that is 18 volt of wired reverse charging, can charge other phones also. And with 5G bands, audio is stereo speaker with Dolby Atmos. In this video I will talk about the speaker test and video test also. So friends, it is slimmest 5G phone, focus on the 7.35 mm thickness. You can see water resistance rating for the budget phone, mini power bank, 18 volt of reverse charging is there. Let's talk about the buttons and port. So friends, it's having very sleek buttons, volume up and down button, one power button. At the top you will see one, you can see there are microphone sensors and speakers are there. Here it is nothing at this side. At the bottom you will see one speaker is there, one type C charging port, one microphone, and one SIM tray. So that is all. If you want to buy this smartphone, I have given the link in the description. You can buy it from there. Let's test the video quality and audio quality. So let's write here 4K. So friends, you can see this quality of the phone. So I talk about this also quality. So here it is 2160 pixel at 60 fps. You can watch your video. That is insane. And it's having the highest brightness also. You can see, I will show you the brightness level. So you can see so let's test the another thing, that is the speaker. So let's click on this non-component music. Here it is. Let's click on full volume. So friends, it's having the Dolby audio and 300, you can see limit 300% volume is there. So if you want to buy this, I have given the link. Thanks for watching.